Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of License to Fly Season 2, your gateway to becoming an Indigo cabin crew. I am Supriya Swaminathan, lead cabin attendant at Indigo and your host for today. Buckle up as I take you through the rigorous Indigo cabin crew recruitment process and reveal what our recruitment experts are looking for in an ideal candidate. So if you think life amongst the cloud is for you, then this is it. Right now, behind me, you can see the pre-screening round is underway. Come, let's get a closer look and see what is happening here. Hi Avneet, welcome to License to Fly.
Hi Supriya, happy to be here. Did you just eavesdrop on a conversation?
Guilty? Well, now that you have caught me, I would like to get straight into it. What is it that you're looking for in an ideal candidate?
So this is the first step in a 4-round interview process. At this stage, I'm looking for candidates who communicate effectively, present themselves well, and exhibit confidence. Also, I need to see a positive attitude from them.
That's great. Can you please share some tips on how our aspirants should be preparing themselves for the first round of interview?
A candidate should be confident, maintaining friendly eye contact with the interviewer. Be thorough with your CV to answer any questions about your experience and qualifications. Make sure to be prepared with the current topics as you will be assessed on the constructive thoughts. Most importantly, don't forget to smile as it reflects positivity. Also, it is mandatory to register on Indigo Careers page for timely communication regarding your interview. And remember, Indigo does not charge any money for job interviews, registration, verification, or while releasing offer letters. So be cautious.
Can the candidates reappear for the interview?
Absolutely, as many times. In fact, we encourage them to reappear, but only after working on what did not go well for you.
Do you know any candidates who have appeared several times before cracking the interview?
You're looking at one. I appeared for a cabin crew interview 5 times in a row, and it was only on the 6th attempt after working on key areas of improvement that I finally got through. I flew for 12 wonderful years as cabin crew before stepping into a new role in HR.
Wow, Avneet, you didn't give up. And of course, who better than you to find the right people for this job?
Thank you. I just try to do my best.
Great. That will be all, Avneet. Thank you so much for your time and patiently answering my questions.
No problem at all. It was lovely talking to you and having you here with us.
Candidates who have cleared the first round now proceed towards the second round of assessment, which is the medical round. To know more about this process, let me introduce you to Dr. Sanyal. I know you are all caught up, but can you tell our viewers what happens in the medical assessment round?
Sure. We are examining the candidates to see that they meet medical eligibility criteria, which requires certain height, weight, BMI. We also do eye checkup and take medical history of the candidate.
Got it. Also, can you give the aspirants tips on how to pass the medicals?
Sure. The candidates must maintain a healthy lifestyle with balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stay hydrated, and monitor their health by undergoing periodic health checkup.
Please be honest about your medical history as it is crucial for everyone's safety. 2 down, 2 more to go. Now we head towards the third round, which is the communications round. Let's go. The communication round is conducted by our iFly communication experts. And today, to take you through the proceedings, we have Avinash here with us. Hello, Avinash.
Hello there, Supriya. Welcome. How's it going?
As expected, great. And you can make it even better by telling me this. What do you evaluate candidates on, and why is communication as cabin crew so important?
As cabin crew, you must be confident communicators. For that, you must have clear pronunciation, correct grammar, listen well, speak fluently in English, and be comfortable with Hindi as well. These are the communication skills we assess our candidates on.
Okay, and what happens next? What if the candidates make it through this round? Are they called on board immediately?
Well, not yet. So based on their communication skills, candidates are assigned training categories, after which they proceed to the final interview. They must pass that round to join us.
Last thing, any tips to improve communication?
Well, Supriya, communication is all about preparation and practice. Pick up words, phrases, and styles you feel comfortable with. Speak in front of the mirror and record yourself, and see what you need to do to improve. Nowadays, there are plenty of AI-based apps available on your smartphone for you to practice. The more you do something, the better you get at it.
This is gold. I hope you're taking notes. Thank you so much, Avinash. It was wonderful talking to you.
Likewise. Thank you for having me, Supriya.
This is it, the last and the final round. Pass this and you are on your way to becoming an elite Indigo cabin crew. Hello, Archana. Welcome on board.
Thanks for having me, Supriya.
So, without delay, tell me, what are you assessing the candidates on?
Considering and reviewing the scores from the previous 3 rounds, at this stage, we assess the candidates on confidence, their maturity levels, and their seriousness regarding the job. Then we make the final decision based on a comprehensive evaluation of their overall performance in all rounds.
Could you describe the ideal candidate according to you, Archana?
Someone like you, Supriya, someone who meets our standards, but also has dedication, passion, and confidence needed for this job.
Demanding, but exciting and rewarding. Thanks, Archana. Thank you for your time and patience.
Anytime, Supriya. Thank you for having me, and I'm glad I could be of help.
All right. So far, we have seen what happens in all the 4 rounds. But now, I want to end this episode on a very special note with someone very special. She is at the helm of the Indigo Cabin Crew Division, pulling all the strings to ensure best-in-class service and focus on passenger safety even at 35,000 feet. Meet Ms. Suman Chopra. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to License to Fly Season 2.
Thank you so much, Supriya. Glad you came by. Hope it's going well so far.
Oh, absolutely. And now, since I have you here with me, it cannot get any better. I have asked this question to every interviewer today. What is it that you're looking for in an ideal candidate? Can you sum up the whole philosophy behind hiring an Indigo cabin crew?
So, Indigo cabin crew recruitment is a carefully designed process to find the most exceptional flight attendants. We look for individuals who are willing to learn, are passionate about service to others, can adapt to dynamic situations, and are able to maintain composure under pressure, plus a clear communication. It is a demanding job, but equally rewarding and exciting.
Indeed it is. Also, ma'am, I'm sure aspirants would love to know this. Is there a secret mantra to succeed the interviews?
So there is no secret mantra as such. If you pass the eligibility criteria and you demonstrate your commitment to put customers first under any challenging situation, we welcome you with arms wide open at Indigo.
Finally, can you please share a word of advice for the aspiring cabin crew watching us today?
Sure. For us, what stands out in a candidate is the passion for service. So make sure you have that. And your communication skills, it will not only help you at the job, but in life in general too. And of course, stay adaptable, hungry to learn, maintain a positive attitude,
respecting diversity. Embody these qualities and you will be well prepared to join Indigo in our mission to make Indian aviation excellent.
Thank you so much. It is a perfect conclusion to this episode. As someone with years of experience, I'd like you to know that becoming a cabin crew member is not just a job, it is a journey. Before I go, remember to apply and register on the Indigo Careers page. Without it, you would not be notified about the interviews. And that will be all for this episode. Stay tuned and see you next time.